Alright, so this thing sounded off, but I heard a little bit of chirp where it was, I don't know, it was rubbing on something. So I tried to look at it and grind it a little bit to take it down a smidge to see if it would still do it. And we'll see now, as long as I don't get a complaint from the neighbors. This thing is so freaking loud. I had no idea. Okay, is it? Can you see that? Alright. Okay, here it goes. God. That thing is so freaking loud. Can't believe it. That thing's extremely freaking loud.